Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Google Business profile step by step. So let's get started. If you have not already Google Business profile, you have to go to the Google Business profile uh, on this site. Then you have to sign in with your Google account. Search for your business by name. Here you can see, for example, I'm gonna name this digital product which so for example I'm gonna name this digital product digital product, and then tap on to continue. Then you have to tap on to request access. Then you have to enter what levels of access do you want, like management or ownership. I'm going to tap onto management. Then you have to tap on what is your relationship with the business. So just enter your details from, and then you have to enter your contact name and phone number. Tap onto this icon, sign in, and then tap submit. So after then you have to complete your profile information, fill in all the necessary details, including as I shown you, like business name, category, address, phone number, website, business hour. Make sure the information is accurate and complete, and add high quality photos of your business to boost engagement. So Google offers several ways to verify your business depending on your business type, location, and other factors. Here are the most common options, like postcard by mail, phone verification, email verification, instant verification. If your business is already verified with Google Search Console, it may be verified instantly. Also video verification and bulk verification. So just then enter your verification code and review and optimize your profile, like add more photos, list services, products, respond to reviews, post special offers or events. So, and this is how you can verify your Google Business account. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.